by Pampanga. MJ Garcia. Concepcion trying to go for the dipsy-do. No. And MJ Garcia on the second opportunity.
Oo, and that's one thing na talagang mga...
Tweety, si Tweety.
Oo, Tweety. Oh, Tweety.
Tweety yan. MJ Garcia, the high arcing three. 5 points para kay MJ Garcia.
Year out, Sedel talagang keeps on improving. Kaya mas nagiging komportable na siya dun sa role niya. Now, ang maganda dito kay Ronan na wala nang question eh.
You could not save it to Deles. Here comes Pampanga on the counter attack. MJ Garcia with 7 points. Roll. Archie, the kick out. Encho, 3. No. MJ Garcia, another opportunity para kay MJ. He's got 9 points in the contest.
Again, the rebounding.
Garcia feeling it, and he knocks it down. Wow, MJ Garcia.
Sedel.
MJ Garcia started out hot. 9 lead against the Bicolandia Oragons, and it was MJ Garcia that started out hot para dito sa Giant Lanterns. Had 12 points in the first period, and after him, Kurt Trayson ang pumalit.
Tumira na 3 points. If you have that two guys na alam mong re-rebound para sa'yo. And MJ Garcia.
Luis, with a few of our friends, alam mo, hindi ano yan. Go hard.
Go hard pa rin. Oo. That's how passionate he is. Talagang MJ, through the years, Sedel, alam mo, hindi nababawasan yung lakas niya dumepensa, pero nadagdagan pa ngayon ang kanyang magandang offense.
Oo. MJ Garcia always in control. Kontrolado ang bilis. Absorb ng contact. Tingnan mo dito.
Grabe yung balance, grabe yung concentration. You know, it's the core strength plus hindi yun madaling bangga.
Malaki si Gallego eh.
That they started aggressive. They were able to force a turnover that resulted for a layup para dito sa Bicolandia Oragons.
MJ Garcia, 21 points. Okay.
Still on track.
9 of
the Oragons.
Gozum misses the 3. Inside, Garcia still perfect. 10 of 10. That won't go. MJ Garcia. MJ will fly. Garcia leading the charge right here. Takes off with that finger roll. Nangangalahati na tayo dito sa ating 4th quarter. It's been an MJ Garcia show for Pampanga. We'll be right back. Our best play of the game is brought to you by Buenas. It's MJ Garcia, who finished with 26 points. And actually perfect ito si MJ Garcia.
And even from the line.